I need your love, man. Leave me alone.
I love you, and you know I'll do anything for you.
Cecilia, I am moving on. I'm doing that without you.
Are you not happy to see me? I think you've lost the game.
Bullshit! I don't need you in my life right now. I will find you and I will arrest you.
And you still have the guts to stab me in the back.
I did you no backstabbing shit, brother. I did what I had to do to survive.
It's time to bring back our anonymous blog. To bring down the Ballerz.
You got me drunk and brought my husband here to see me with my ex.
But I didn't ask you to kiss him.
I know the next thing that will follow that romantic kiss was nothing but sex.
Why will I have sex with another man?
But you had kissed another man.
I tried all I could to make it work, but no!
She never loved me.
She never stopped loving you.
This is my decision. That should have been too much for you to respect. Don't let your emotions cloud your judgment. You know what? Switch yourself.
Come on.
My life is in a mess right now.
There is no conjugal, no more intimacy.
Please!
Excuse me, leave me alone!
This is Kate. She will be our weapon of destruction.
How?
My name is Shay, and I'm in a serious dilemma.
It is you when I sleep that I see. I don't feel so afraid when I'm with you.
I'm sorry. I was drunk and I couldn't control myself.
What is putting you in this dilemma?
See, there's no love.
I don't know, but I wanna know. Is this love that I'm feeling? Is this love?
My name is Rose. We really control money.
Leave Ballerz. Sign up with me and let's begin our journey to super success.
I'm Kate, and I'm all you need to take the Ballerz to the next level.
How?
My love.
Life is full of beauty. Notice it. Life is an adventure. Live it up. Use what you have. Do what you can. Life goes on. Promise me you'll never leave me.
I'm scared. I'm afraid things may get complicated.
Things are already complicated.
We don't have issues about my wife anymore. All thanks to you.
Ballerz is falling apart.
You pushed me out of Ballerz, and now it's too late to come back.
All these are temporary.
Wake me up from my dreams. I think I'm losing my mind.
Shay and yourself, a cotton? That gold digger does not deserve you.
It's getting real, and I'm going crazy. All of my fault. Now I can see. Wake me up from my dreams. I think I'm losing my mind.
I nearly lost everything because of you.
Forgive my mistakes and let's go back to who we used to be.
The equation is not balanced anymore.
I don't just love you, but I love you with all my heart. I don't just want you, but I need you to stand by me, come rain, come sunshine. You know I could be shattered to nothing if you break my heart.
Just forgive me and stand by me.
I want you to leave Biola for me. What you're asking of me no hurts Biola. You don't care about how I feel.
It's too late.
There is a motherfucker that needs to be dealt with.
Now who is the motherfucker?
Joe. Here is the package. Remember why I gave you this. Please. No link back, no traces, no fuck up.
I did shout now. I did shout. You know me. I know the slow. I never fuck up. And yours will not be the first.
That's why I trust you with this.
Slow down, stop darling, jamming and balling. Haters follow me like I'm Tebro because I smash them up like a candy bar. Like every other day we bought the game, we know the fail. We know the fail.
We live in La Vida Loca, like Pablo Escobar. Everywhere we go, we just spread the money scatter. Make them go gaga, I say make them go gaga. You know say the money no be small thing. Still sitting down, you're on a long thing. This is how we do it, no be fronting. No be fronting, I say no be fronting. No be fronting, I say no be fronting.
We are the
His name is Femi. And we used to love each other. On this fateful day, he asked me to come to his house, which I gladly obliged. On getting there, he offered me a drink, which I refused. But he insisted. Then I collected it. It was an alcoholic wine. All of a sudden, I discovered I was feeling tipsy. Before I could realize what was going on, I discovered something had gone down. I realized I wasn't myself.
So, does that mean he raped you?
No, he didn't. Because we were both tipsy.
So, it was a mutual consent? So, what now? What are you going to do?
Ibile, you're the only one that can help me at this point.
Help?
Yes.
How?
So guy, how did the meeting go?
Believe me, man, it was dope. there was all that knowing what you're doing type of thing.
Makes sense.
Make her bust your head. Right there was this connection between she and I.
Yes, no.
This pretty boy, pretty girl type of connection.
Yeah, that's all.
And they feel me, they feel me.
Makes sense. Shame, man.
I don't think I want to go through with this one. What's up?
You did joke, Joe. You're just joking.
I know the joke. On the more serious note, I don't want to go through with this one.
She? Like, seriously?
I know they lie. Believe me.
This woman is a big fish, oh.
Don't be everything we man see, man, they chop.
Oh boy, you're about to miss an opportunity of a lifetime.
We can miss some.
You want me some?
I want me some.
Oh boy, if not me, I will just take this opportunity. Do you know where I'll be? Just take this opportunity, just...
Not be you again. I don't say you go take the opportunity. I don't say you go take out. Not be you, master.
But guy, oh boy, you meet Kinifor.
I don't know what to do. I don't just want to chop this one, sha.
Esther?
Yes?
There's something I need to tell you.
Spill it already.
Okay. These eyes are already using to look at me. I don't like it. Can you be calm?
Babe.
So, there's this guy at my school and I had something to do with him.
Hold up. There's a guy in your school you had something with. You had something to do with him.
Why are you shouting?
Grace, you had sex with a guy in your school.
Stop shouting. You want to put speaker on
How
YouTube?
many times? Don't lie. Don't lie, Grace.
I didn't hear your question.
How many times? You're still going to answer the question. Grace, you're a bad girl.
I'm not a bad girl. Honestly, but you know the thing with Wilson now. But why are you shouting?
Grace, I didn't know you were this bad, baby. You are a bad girl. Grace. wait. Very terrible. Very terrible. You did a terrible thing.
I know.
Can you look at?
I couldn't help it. It was good.
It was good.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes. And so you're a bad influence. I don't want. Why are you giving me a high five?
Wait, hold up. What you did is bad. Very bad. Really bad.
I know, but you know everything about Wilson.
But you know, your happiness is my priority. That is what matters to me. So, baby, are you happy?
Yes, I am.
You are. Are you sure, baby?
I don't want to
give me this wife. No. Give me this wife one.
I don't want to
give me two.
Oh, yeah, fine.
Welcome to the club, baby girl.
You see, you're not influencing me.
Please. Bad girl. When I call you bad girl, bad girl.
I refuse to answer.
Rita, I don't know what to do again. I don't know what to do. And you of all people, you've not said anything. I don't want you to go quiet on me, especially on this particular one. Please, what can you do for me? Rita.
Vic, what do you want me to do? I will be lying if I say I don't see all that is happening in the house. But each time I try to advise you, what do you say? Stay out of this. What do you know? Really, what do I know, Vic? Well, I think I might have to stay out of this too.
Come on. Don't be like that. I already said I'm sorry. I made a mistake. Fine, but it's not like it's beyond visible control. I swear, I didn't mean to break up with him. I told him I wanted space. That was all. He was pestering me for marriage, and obviously I wasn't ready for it. You know, our parents, they wanted us to focus on our education, and that was all I did. I explained all of this to him. But he didn't even care about all of that. He just wanted us to get married. And then in twinkle of an eye, he jumped into the arms of another woman. And grace of all people.
I blame you, Vic. Yes, I blame you. Men need attention, and you've deprived Biola of it.
I give him attention.
Listen, you barely hang out. You've never brought him to the house. Even me, your younger sister, I've never deprived my boyfriend of attention. Wait, if I may ask, how many years into the relationship?
About 5 years.
5 years, Vic! And you're just gonna jeopardize all of that because of your ego.
I don't have ego. I don't have ego.
Well, do you mind if I talk to him?
Of course. Please do anything. Don't leave me with options. Do anything you can do to help me, please. I'll be very grateful if you can help me to win my man back.
Well, as I've said, I can only promise to talk to him. But then you know he has his own choice to make too. Don't forget that.
Yes, I know, but at least let me trust you on this one for now. Come on. Thank you.
Alaji.
Alaja, I also be lying. Please sit down. Please.
Please, I want to talk about Miriam.
Miriam?
Yes. I know it's absurd to have this kind of abnormality within the family. But the deed has been done already. Please, I want you to see this as destiny.
Destiny?
Yes.
Alaja, our destiny is in our hands. We are what we make of it. So, stop what you are saying right now. I want you to stop. It's not valid at all. So, please, stop. Thank you. Your destiny.
Hi, Cecilia. How do you do?
Thanks.
Good to see you too. Okay. Like I said over the phone, Cecilia, we'll be needing Shei's phone and his laptop.
What do you need his phone and his laptop for?
Look, don't worry. It's part of the strategy to win him permanently.
How does that have to do with the strategy? I don't understand.
Babe, just get me the phone and the laptop. I'll teach you everything you need to know.
So, how do I get the phone and the laptop?
Look, you know what? Tonight, I'll call you and I'll teach you the strategies. Okay. I'll call you tonight.
Okay.
I can't do it now because I have something doing inside.
Okay.
So I'll call you. Just keep your phone on.
Okay.
You get?
All right.
Just get me the phone and the laptop.
Okay, I've heard you.
Okay,
all right, bye.
Hi. I'm sorry.
For real? What took you so long?
I was doing something.
You said you wanted to see me?
Yes.
About what?
It's about my sister, Vic.
So what about Vic?
Look, Biola, she has realized all her mistakes. And that's why she's sending me to you to please forgive her.
Sending you to me to do what? Can you listen to yourself?
Biola.
Do you know what she has done? First, she broke up with me. Secondly, she doesn't listen whenever I try to make things clear to her. She even made me lose Grace.
Leave Grace out of this.
What did you say?
Leave Grace out of this.
What exactly are you doing here? Don't you have a life? Don't you have things to settle? Wait, do you have a boyfriend?
Yes, I have.
You have a boyfriend?
Sure.
And you give your boyfriend time?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Very sure.
Then why don't you talk to Vicky instead? Why don't you talk to Vicky instead? And if you talk to her, I don't even care. Right now, I don't want anybody in my life. Now, Grace is gone just because of her. She's been saying shit about me everywhere. And look here, whenever you try to do this sort of thing again, think it through properly. Don't come at me.
In order to keep the series running and to enrich its production design and aesthetics,
we need you, our esteemed audience, to support us.
Okay, so for those who have been finding it difficult to donate through our Indiegogo account, we have come up with a local account here in Nigeria that you can donate through. You can donate anything as little as 1,000 naira and above, and the account number would be right here on the screen. Please help us, join us in building the series together. I know you love it, and we love you for loving it.
and you can also show us love and support like you've always done. You can follow us on Instagram at Ballerz the series, Ballerz with the letter Z, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel, Rare TV on YouTube.
We really appreciate you and we look forward to bringing more entertainment to you.
Thank you for supporting us.
Mariam, why are you snaking? You are coming to meet me and you are snaking. Because you know what you did is wrong. And you know how much I love you. Kubati jewo, Mariam. Kubati jewo. Kubaminu jekon. It shouldn't have been you.
Reggie. I'm sorry.
I understand. I know. It's not your fault. Come closer. I know it's not your fault.
Reggie, I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
I know I've made a mistake, Reggie. I'm so sorry from the depth of my heart. And I promise it will not repeat itself again. Reggie, please forgive me.
Miriam,
Reggie.
you're forgiven.
Reggie.
But wait. This boy. Is he your lover?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That means you have future together.
Inshallah, sir.
Then, I'd like to see him. Bring him to me.
Reggie. Thank you.
Okay, yeah. Wait. What do you need this phone for?
Like I told you before, it's all part of the plan.
What plan?
Look, you get to know who Sheyi is dating, who he's sleeping with, his plans, and everything you need to know to win back Sheyi.
What do I need to get his phone to get to know about this information?
Look, I told you, it's all part of the plan. Give me the phone.
Fine.
Now, you have to call him.
Okay.
We need his laptop.
How do I get his laptop? When? How do I do it?
The same way. Look, it's part of the plan. Please, just get the laptop. I need you to call him actually.
Okay, let me just get my phone now.
Be quick about it.
Okay.
Yes. Good.
Hey Sheyi. How are you doing? Oh, sorry, I took your phone mistakenly. Okay, so, okay, fine, we'll meet there. And I need a favor from you. My laptop is bad and I need a laptop to use just for the meantime. Can I get yours, please?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, darling.
Good. Did he say he'll get you the laptop?
Yes.
Now, I need the laptop, like, as quick as possible. I need it today.
Today?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Cecilia, just do what you always do. Get it. It's part of the plan, really.
It's because I trust you.
Trust me, really. It's part of the plan.
Fine, no problem.
Okay.
Bye
there.
Rita, can you please say something? Please talk to me now. What happened to you? You said you were going to talk to Bella. What happened? What?
Victoria, I think you have to move on with your life.
Move on. I don't understand. What did he say?
Bella is adamant. Grace already broke up with him, like he said. He told me, and he said he doesn't want anybody in his life.
Okay. I think you are joking. Please, what did Bella say? Please, just tell me the truth. Please, where can I see him? Where can I see him?
Are you dumb or something? He doesn't want to see you. He doesn't want to hear anything from you. He said you should move on, so I would advise you to move on. Can't you get it?
If I should consider how pained I am, I would not be sitting down here with you. But the deed has been done. What has happened has happened. But are you ready to be fully responsible for that pregnancy?
Sir, I am fully ready to take responsibilities of the baby and the mother.
You're making promises now. I hope you fulfill all your promises. She's my only daughter, remember?
They are lovers. He makes some promises, so let's hope he's going to fulfill his promises.
Okay.
أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ربنا آتينا في young man. Subhanallah. We are praying and you close your eyes. You are not even saying Amen.
I'm saying
Aren't you a believer?
I'm a believer, sir. I'm a believer.
Bismillah. Lead us in prayer.
Okay, sir. Father, in Jesus' name.
What? What did he just say? Mariam! Keferi? Nino, let me. Subhanallah.
Aladdin, please calm down.
Eh? Come again. I should calm down. So you are part of this? I don't want you.
No.
No, man.
I don't know anything. No.
Leave my house right away. Now. Money more.
Leave.
You see what you put me through there? Just because of your stupid mistake.
But Ibile, fine, I've made a mistake. But this is not entirely my fault.
So it's mine?
No, that's not what I'm saying. It's not your fault either. But I told you this from the beginning, that this cannot work. But what did you tell me? You told me when we get to the bridge, we are going to cross it. Now we are at the bridge. How do we cross this?
It's your sexy producer.
again. You're scared of falling, but you will fall 1,000 miles for him. You're scared of flying, but in a heartbeat you will count the clouds for him. Ale, ale, hallelujah, oh. Edumare lo so yibo, ko gbekele. Mommy, baby girl, what you mo fẹ́ràn tó fẹ́ lọ sílé ọkọ. Àdúrà ni mo gbà fún ẹ, Ọlọ́run mi máa bá ẹ lọ. Joe, I hate to see you go. I know you have your life to live, but I can't see love in your eyes. Shines brightly in your heart. You'll never be so beautiful, and you can't see my joy and pride for you. Though you smile, I see your tears. Take his hand, my baby girl, and be his wife forevermore. The time has come for you to wipe the tears I'll never feel, 'cause I will always be ready for you. Ale, ale, hallelujah, oh. Edumare lo so yibo, mo gbẹ́kẹ̀lé.
Hello everyone, my name is Tobi Igbenoba.
Adedimeji.
Aramide Oloko.
Igor Ortega.
Zalanka Drojo.
Emmanuel Kolawole.
Amofalajomi Okinbaloye.
Awoyomi Akorede.
Tijesunimi Olakojo.
Oluwafemi Samuel Adedimeji.
Adetoye Adeyinka. I played the role of Sheyi.
And I played the role of Grace.
I played the role of Biola.
I played the role of Kafi.
Careless.
I played the role of Victoria.
I played the role of Ibile.
I played the role of Cynthia.
Professor Ajala.
I played the role of Rita.
I played the role of Wizzy.
In order to keep the series running and to enrich its production design and aesthetics,
We need you, our esteemed audience, to support us.
Okay, so for those who have been finding it difficult to donate through our Indiegogo account, we have come up with a local account here in Nigeria that you can donate through. You can donate anything as little as 1,000 naira and above, and the account number will be right here on the screen. Please help us, join us in building the series together. I know you love it, and we love you for loving it.
and you can also show us love and support like you've always done. You can follow us on Instagram at Ballerz the series, Ballerz with the letter Z, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel, Rare TV on YouTube.
We really appreciate you, and we look forward to bringing more entertainment to you.
Thank you for supporting us.